Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be doing a set of rose quartz nails, and I'm going to be doing it on my lovely new practice hand, who we have named Pamela Henderson. What did you think of that, guys? That was actually ChatGPT's suggestion. My partner came up with Cassandra, which was Cassandra. But yeah, if you've got any fun names, please comment below. I would love to hear them. But today I'll be using her. I've just stuck on her nails, and I will be starting off with a base coat, not a base coat, sorry, a pink nude color, and it's very sheer. Sorry if this is not in shot, guys. I'm just trying to get the hang of where the camera goes over this new hand. So forgive me, I don't have a lot of room on my desk to kind of put it in view, but I'm doing my best. Next, I'm going to go in with this Art Liner white gel. Now, I do have blooming gel, and I was going to use that, but I thought, no, I'm just going to do the liner gel, and then I'm going to use some alcohol or acetone to kind of smudge the lines. Now I'm going to go over them again with another thin coat of the nude pink nude, and I'll cure them and I'll be back. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this gold glitter, but just a little bit, because I don't want to have much gold in this design. I want to try and keep it a bit more true to the rose quartz stone, but it's nice to have a little bit of reflective. So I'm just going to put a little bit in, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the alcohol and smudge it out a bit. So it's just got a very, very light fleck in there. Now that I've cured them, I'm going to go in with one final coat, just a thin coat of the nude again, and then I will put a top coat. I can't get my words right today. I will put a top coat on, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. And here is the finished nails. What do you think, guys? I actually think they turned out better than I expected. That was almost like the perfect pink nude, and I didn't find it as difficult as I thought I would, and I've wanted to do some rose quartz nails for a long time now. So I think I'm going to do them on my own nails next, because I think they're gorgeous. But I am starting a crystal series, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, if you want to see the next lot of crystal nails that I put out. And if you have any suggestions that you would like to see, let me know. In the meantime, please feel free to join me over at my Instagram at Easy Nails by Rachel Lee. I would love to have you over there. Thanks for watching.